YouTube, welcome back to the channel. I really appreciate you stopping by. My name is Leo Sotelo, and if you're wondering who I am, I teach a lot of traffic sources. I do reviews on tools, etc. And stick around. I got something. I found this traffic source. And I want to share it with you out there so you could make money online. And there's a way to do it. Now I say potentially make money online because you have to put in the work. Free traffic requires a little extra time and work. However, it's all free. There's a lot of people here that might be interested in your product and service. So the best way to predict your future is to create it. Abraham Lincoln. And since you're here, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and tap that notification bell to get notified of future videos that will be popping up and you get notified. Okay, here we go. This traffic source is called YouNow.com. Now, let me show you the traffic real quick. So you're not going to be wasting your time watching this video because that's what time is about. You know, you want to learn something that you don't know, whatever. YouNow.com, and then I'm going to go down here to the traffic, and they get 1.30 million monthly visits every month, ladies and gentlemen. And traffic sources are Mexico, United States, Germany, United Kingdom, and Chile. And the list goes on from there. A lot of traffic's direct, search. Some come from a few referrals. So you got that down. And the way you do this, everybody, you just create an account. You create an account using your Twitter or your Gmail. It's pretty simple, straightforward. And then in your account, this is the important part. Don't miss out on this. This is very important because this is how you're going to most likely get a lot of your traffic here. Because on this website, it's mostly just go lives. You don't upload like you do on YouTube and a lot of other like YouTube alternatives. You just go live. So, but on your profile, when you put your profile in here, of course you're gonna want to put a picture of yourself. It gives you the options to add your social media where your offers might be at, where your affiliate links might be at. So always make sure you want to guide them to you, and there's a way to do that. It's going to take a little work, but I'm going to show you how in a minute. So you put all those there, and then down here you get 160. So I kind of just get to the point for the example of this video. Copy and paste. I put my link tree here. Then I let them know who I am and what I do, and what I could do for them. You know, I provide web traffic sources like I'm doing for you. And make sure everybody, since we're here, go ahead and leave a comment below. Leave a comment. I want to engage with all you. I want to see who you are and how far you are and what else you need. I can do the research and make the videos. I always do the research before, and I test the traffic sources out to see how it is before I make the video. So anyway, you can see I just started on this, and let me open this up for you because you're going to want to go over here to explore. You want to fill out all the information for your profile, and then you could go dark mode if you want, light mode. I like light mode. And go to explore because this is where you could locations. So let's say you speak more Spanish than you do English, or you're Canadian or Dominican Republic. Everything is here, everybody. They got Colombia here too. There's not too many here. That's where I want to show you, because if you're into the fitness niche, the weight loss, let me show you this real quick. This is featured. These are the hashtags right here. It'll also show you right here who's trending, what's trending. It's on your bottom left right here, and it'll show you what's trending. So when you go up here like to weight loss, for example, there's not too many people doing things on weight loss. I mean, there's a few, but it's not saturated. It's not like as you can see right here, it's not like YouTube or another YouTube alternative. And if you're looking for an alternative, if you're looking for something that you don't want to make videos for, I will put that into my cards up here to your, I believe it's to your right. It's going to be up there. There's going to be a card popping up where you could do a podcast. So don't miss out on that video. But don't leave yet, because let's see what this person right here, weight loss tips. Let's see how active they are. They don't seem too active, but look, they got their social medias in here to see who they are. Look right here. They got their website to see to for people to go there right away. But are they active on here? I don't believe so. This person got 2 fans, zero fan of whatever. I don't believe they're too active, and that will hurt them coming from this site because this site you're gonna have to go to um, people trending. So let's see what this person Ryan's doing. They're doing singing whatever. Go down here to the chat thing. Let them know you're new to the website, whatever. Hit them as a fan. All their stuff's here. They're going to go back and see who's this person. I never, because they already have an audience. Look how many likes this has had 42,273. They shared it a lot with other friends. So these people got an audience. If you put your stuff down here or if you go over here and hit post, what would you like to say to Ryan? You share something with them, and then look, they got over 30,000 fans, subscribers. Um, the thing about subscribing is, I think it charges. I'm not sure. Yeah, $4.99 a month, and I can't really talk over this person too much. However, do you see what you could go in there and do? So if you're in the, let's see recipes. I haven't even checked on recipes yet. If you go into recipes, you're in the cooking. Everybody has to eat, right? So it pops up some. I think a lot of them are here to grab. Let's see. A lot of people are here to kind of is what I'm showing is to grab traffic. So let's see, Cooking Steve. He's pretty active. You can see right here, 43 fans, posting mouthwatering food recipes, and I'm pretty sure this is him. I don't know if he's. I don't know who this is. Excuse me.
The like via OBS layout maybe.
And you can't pause it, everybody. It's not like YouTube where you pause it.
I did
So I can't really talk over them as they're talking. So anyway, if you could go here, depending on what niche you're in, it's probably already trending. It's probably already here. Um, if it's not, then you could be the one out there to show people how to make money online, how to create streams of income, how to create assets. You could be that man or woman to go in here to do that. You could also, if you have your own fitness stuff, then why not go live? All you do is go up here, you go live, and this is what it requires down here, everybody. Download OBS, view instructions, and watch video. Um, I haven't went through this yet. I have OBS on my laptop, but watch video. And it'll kind of guide you through what to do. Video unavailable. Okay, then you can't go there. So, but you could do all these. If you have any questions, you just go over here and you contact them. They should get back to you. And what else can you do in here? You got moments, leaderboards. There's leaders in here who look right here. It has 7 million thumbs up, so they're getting a lot of traffic. Let's see. Let's go location. I want to check out people in Honduras. I want to see what Honduras is doing. And a lot of these people right now are live. So they got an audience on here already. And that could be you as well out there. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, everybody, because I'm going to be using it. I'm going to start making some more videos. And when I'm in the car waiting at the grocery store, I'm going to make a little go live, and I want to be taking advantage of this because if I could send people back, let me check out this person down here just to see who she is. So she has almost 14,000 thumbs up. A lot of people are watching her. She only got what it says 6 right here watching. However, she's really popular. A lot of people look at her and they go to her Instagram. So, and there she is on Instagram. Except she got her account private. Hey, that's her business, right? However, I keep my stuff open for all you out there. You can check it out. I'll have all my social medias in the description. You can go check them out. I got some pretty cool stuff, and I don't want to take up too much of your time, everybody. But if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Give me a thumbs up. Get your stuff, the links that I put in the description below. I always put like a new ebook there or something that can help you learn something that's internet marketing related or business wise, an opportunity, something for you to continue your journey and not give up on your dreams on this entrepreneurial journey. Because if it was easy, everybody would be doing it. A lot of people I talk to do not even understand it. And they don't understand email marketing, even though it built the internet basically. They don't understand these social medias. Uh, a lot of people are complaining about money, but they got access to YouTube and they want to create a Google AdWords account. You know what I mean? So a lot of people just don't know a lot of stuff that I and you out there have took the time to sit down and learn it and apply it and keep hustling at it. So check out some of my videos. They're gonna be popping up here somewhere. And I don't want to take up too much of your time. I hope you like this video. Please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and I'll be making more. All right. I hope you take action and never give up on your dreams. All right. See you later. Have a good day. Have a good night wherever you are. Bye.